Welcome to our latest IKEA haul, where we explore some of the newest and most exciting additions to their collection. Whether you're looking to revamp your home decor, find functional and stylish furniture, or simply get inspired by innovative designs, this video has something for everyone. We'll be showcasing the best of IKEA's latest products. Let's dive into the world of IKEA's fresh offerings. 1. T-Leg. The Y-T-Lega pendant lamp offers versatility with its adjustable shade, transforming from a closed cylinder for a cozy glow to an open floral shape for bright illumination. Ideal for the living room, bedroom, or dining area, this playful design lets you switch between general and mood lighting by simply pulling the strings. The lampshade is made from at least 50% recycled plastic. 2. Vinstilla Yellow. This mouth-blown tea light holder is a testament to skilled craftsmanship, with each piece being unique due to the decorative paint pattern added during shaping. The intricate design enhances the candle's warm glow, making it a beautiful addition to your home. 3. Platlummer cushion cover features a youthful checkered pattern in blue, green, and white tones, perfect for an edgy look. Easy to mix and match with other textiles, it has a convenient zipper for easy removal and machine washing. Pairs well with rundkrassing and girly cushion covers and Prachtfjäril and sandbrod throws. 4. Scanfibla. The Scanfibla cushion cover, with its tailored look and stability-enhancing piping, is a versatile addition to any space. The zipper allows for easy removal and machine washing. It pairs perfectly with Svinrot and sandbrod throws. 5. Krallig is a multifunctional, hand-woven basket with versatile handles that can be turned up or down. Made from renewable sedge, each basket boasts unique color variations and expressions. It's both decorative and practical, ideal for storing anything from magazines to media accessories, and its sturdy handles make it easy to lift and move. 6. Wild Persilia. The Wild Persilia cushion cover, made from a sturdy cotton linen blend, features a vibrant floral pattern inspired by lush gardens. This durable fabric maintains its shape and resists wrinkles. The zipper allows for easy removal and machine washing, and it pairs perfectly with Wild Persilia curtains. 7. Smeka wreath. This artificial wreath, crafted from recycled plastic and adorned with dried flowers in autumn and winter colors, brings a natural touch to your home. It remains fresh-looking year after year, perfect for decorating tables, doors, or any space without the need for maintenance. 8. Idigran. Multicolor floral Idigran cushion cover in soft cotton velvet showcases a floral pattern in various colors, adding a fresh touch to your room. The hidden zipper makes removal easy, and the velvet fabric provides a rich depth of color and softness. 9. Hackpoppel. The Hackpoppel. Decorative bowl inspired by Swedish lakes features organic shapes that mimic gentle water ripples. This versatile glass bowl can be used for decorations or as a standalone piece, bringing a soothing, nature-inspired touch to your home. 10. Idgran Stripe. Idgran cushion cover in soft cotton velvet with green and pink stripes brings a fresh expression to your room. It pairs well with other velvet cushions and curtains, and the hidden zipper ensures easy removal. The velvet fabric adds depth and a soft touch. 11. Sotran. Sotran scented candle creates a welcoming atmosphere with its vanilla scent infused with raspberries, strawberries, and hints of roses. Once the candle burns out, the ceramic jar can be repurposed for storage or as a tea light holder. Made with at least 50% renewable plant-based wax. 12. Sandmot cushion in black and white adds a modern, vibrant look to your home. The resilient filling is made from recycled materials, and the cushion is easy to keep clean with machine washing, perfect for support behind your back or under your neck. 13. Smika Bouquet. The Smika artificial lavender bouquet, made from recycled plastic, offers lifelike beauty that stays fresh year after year. The adjustable steel wire stems allow for creative arrangements, making it a versatile decoration for any space. 14. Mermosak Green Vase. The Mermosak vase, made from 100% recycled glass, features unique color and shape variations. Each piece is one of a kind with visible air bubbles and lines. Combine it with other vases from the series for stunning floral arrangements in your home. 15. Vinestilla Brown. This mouth-blown tea light holder showcases unique patterns created by skilled glassblowers. The decorative design enhances the candle's warm glow, adding a special touch to your home decor. 16. Emislov. The Emislov poof, with its champagne cork shape and floating fabric seat, offers a distinct graphic expression. Stackable and easy to move, it serves as extra seating, a footrest, or a table with a tray. The durable polyester fabric is easy to clean, and the poof comes with a 10-year guarantee. 17. Frixus. The Frixus armchair made from hand-woven rattan adds a natural feel to your home. Lightweight yet sturdy, it offers comfortable seating with soft armrests and backrest. The neutral cushion complements the rattan's warm expression and is easy to assemble and maintain. 18. Solvenden LED table lamp features a modern design that creates a cozy outdoor vibe. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, its handle makes it easy to move around. No cords or plugs are needed, offering convenience and decorative light. 19. Updaterra. The Updaterra flatware caddy is both attractive and practical, perfect for organizing cutlery. It features 4 compartments and a handle for easy transport. Keep it in a drawer or on a countertop for convenient access. 20. Silver Perron White. The Silver Perron pillar candle holder, inspired by flower stems, features a timeless Scandinavian design with elegant curved lines. Its height and gentle curves make it a stylish focal point, offering both mood lighting and standalone beauty. 21. Salno O. Gridham. The Salno armchair, made from hand-woven rattan, combines natural beauty with comfort. Lightweight and sturdy, it offers a comfortable seating experience with a soft cushion that maintains its shape. The headrest cushion is secured with a hook and loop fastener, and the cover is removable and washable for easy maintenance. 22. Silver Perron Silver. The Silver Perron Candlestick. For 2 candles features a design inspired by flower stems, with gently curved lines that capture the natural beauty of growing flowers. The 2-candle design enhances its vitality, and it can be taken apart for space-saving storage. It offers both mood lighting and standalone elegance. 23. Cuggis. The Cuggis desk organizer set includes 2 parts, providing practical storage for your laptop, papers, and small items. The lower compartment holds larger items, while the upper part helps organize accessories. The set fits perfectly on top of the Cuggis box with lid for additional storage. 24. Hamcrassing. The Hamcrassing cushion cover features a playful stripe pattern in pink, blue, and green. Easy to mix and match with other colors, it pairs nicely with Pract Furiel throw and other cushion covers. The zipper allows for easy removal and machine washing. 25. Mareva. The Mareva duvet cover and pillowcase set brings colorful blooms into your room, brightening up dreary days. Made from a soft cotton viscose blend with a fine sheen, it breathes well for comfort. The set features invisible buttons to keep the comforter in place and an envelope closure for the pillowcase. 26. Murmasak Blue Vase, 9.8 inches. The Murmasak vase, crafted from 100% recycled glass, boasts unique variations in color and shape. Each piece is one of a kind with visible air bubbles and lines. Combine it with other vases from the series for beautiful floral arrangements in your home. 27. Murmasak. Blue vase, 4.7 inches. The Murmasak vase, made from 100% recycled glass, features unique color and shape variations. Each piece is unique, with visible air bubbles and lines. Combine it with other vases from the series for stunning floral arrangements in your home. 28. Frampresa. The Frampresa vase, perfect for long-stemmed flowers, is mouth-blown by skilled craftsmen. Use it with flowers or as a standalone decorative object to add beauty to your home. The small opening allows for easy and elegant floral arrangements. And that wraps up our tour of IKEA's newest arrivals. We hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your home. Don't forget to let us know in the comments which products were your favorites and how you plan to incorporate them into your space. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.